Welcome back to RV Road Report, your ultimate destination for rugged rides, luxury on wheels, and life lived boldly on the road. Today, we're bringing you something truly exceptional. A van that screams class, adventure, and performance. Feast your eyes on the Jayco Terrain camper van motorhome, built on the rock-solid Mercedes chassis, dressed in a vibrant white finish, and riding on powerful 4x4 wheels. This isn't just a camper. It's a home, an escape pod, and an adventure vehicle all rolled into one. If you're into off-grid exploration without giving up comfort, this is your dream machine. Buckle up, let's hit the road. Exterior front view. Here it is, standing proud at the official Mercedes showroom, the Jayco Terrain camper van motorhome. The vibrant white body gleams under showroom lights, showcasing its rugged yet refined build. The signature Jayco logo sits front and center on the bold grille, reminding us of the reliability and innovation behind every inch of this machine. Massive front LED lamps, sculpted edges, and aerodynamic stance give it both presence and performance. From a first glance, it's clear. This van was made to impress and built to endure. Top side view. Now, let's lift our view to the top, where functionality meets modern tech. The roof of the Jayco Terrain is fully equipped for off-grid living. You'll spot integrated solar panels, soaking up the sun to power your gear day and night. A compact satellite antenna ensures you're always connected, whether in the mountains or the desert. And a low-profile rooftop AC unit keeps the interior cool even in peak summer heat. This isn't just a roof. It's your mobile power station and climate control hub. Backside view. Moving to the back, the rugged design continues. A full-size spare tire is mounted securely, ready for any terrain challenge. Just below, a bike rack is carefully installed, letting you bring your mountain bikes or e-bikes to the journey. Whether you're parked lakeside or deep in the wilderness, you're adventure ready. The rear doors are solid, insulated, and designed to secure your gear and your space. This back view is more than functional. It's your portal to the next great ride. Side view. Swing around to the side, and the magic keeps coming. Attached neatly is a retractable side awning that creates a shaded outdoor lounge. Just imagine this. You park in nature, roll out the awning, set up your chairs, and sip coffee while soaking in sunset views. Whether you're camping on the beach, in a forest, or tailgating at a race, this setup adds a level of comfort and style that turns every stop into an unforgettable experience. The Jayco Terrain makes outdoor living effortless. Driving compartment. Let's step into the driving compartment, where the journey really begins. This cockpit is pure Mercedes magic, upgraded by Jayco. There are 2 LED screens, one for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle data, and the second offering a live rear-view camera feed to help with reversing and tight spots. The premium leather captain's chairs are not only heated, but also designed for long-haul comfort. Add in ergonomic controls, a panoramic windshield, and custom dashboard trims. And you're looking at a driver's dream come true. Sitting and sleeping area. Directly behind the cockpit lies your living and resting zone. This smartly designed area features a sofa that converts into a full-size bed, perfect for 2 adults. Soft cushions, ambient LED lighting, and overhead storage cabinets create a relaxing vibe. Need a workspace? A fold-out table handles meals, laptops, or card games. It's cozy during the day and a comfortable sleeping area at night. Truly a dual-purpose space that never feels cramped. Kitchen. Now onto the compact kitchen, cleverly positioned beside the seating area. This space has everything you need. A 2-burner propane stove, a stainless steel sink, a mini fridge, and even a microwave oven tucked away. Storage drawers and cabinets above and below keep your kitchen gear secure while driving. There's enough counter space to prep meals or pour your morning brew. Cooking on the road has never looked this good or been this practical. Washroom. And yes, there's a full wet bath tucked neatly into the space-efficient van. Despite its size, it includes a toilet, a folding sink, and a compact showerhead, all in a waterproof, easy-to-clean enclosure. Thoughtful additions like towel hooks, a mirror, and skylight ventilation make the space feel much bigger and brighter than you'd expect. Whether you're in the city or in the wild, you've got all your essentials covered. And there you have it, the full tour of the Jayco Terrain camper van motorhome. Built on the trusted Mercedes platform, finished in vibrant white, with a rugged long body, 4x4 power, and every luxury and tech feature you could ask for. And the best part? This beast is priced at just $189,000. A serious deal for this level of quality and capability. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear from our fellow road warriors. And don't forget, force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you in the next episode of RV Road Report.